Hi everyone, welcome to Grace Yoga for You. I'm Grace, and today we have a simple guided meditation to help you in the early stages of building your practice. Now, before we begin today's meditation, please find yourself in a place free from distractions where it is safe for you to close your eyes. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, and allow your hands to rest softly along your sides or on your knees, palms down. Make any adjustments you need to feel completely comfortable. If at any time throughout this meditation your mind begins to wander, simply notice with self-compassion and without judgment, and gently bring it back. Now maybe gently soften or close your eyes and begin to check in with your mind and your body. Become aware of your breath and begin breathing deeply and mindfully in and out through your nose. Feel your chest and stomach gently rise and fall with each breath. For the next few moments, we're going to do a simple body scan, checking in with each part of your body, noticing any areas of tension or stress. Imagine with each breath breathing positive energy in, and with each exhale, visualize releasing any stress, tension, or fatigue. Begin by bringing your awareness to your feet, your heels, your toes, and your ankles. Now bring your awareness up to your legs, focusing on your calves, your knees, your thighs, slowly bring your awareness up to your core, to your hips, your abdomen, your belly. Now guide your awareness to your upper body, focusing on your chest, your shoulders, down your arms, all the way to your hands, your fingers. Bring your awareness to your neck, your head, your ears, your eyes, your nose, your jaw, and your forehead. Now Now gently bring your focus back to a simple awareness of your breath. For the next few moments, I just want you to observe your breath. Breathe naturally in and out through your nose, and notice your natural breath rhythm. Feel your chest and belly rise gently with each inhale and exhale. We are now going to count each breath silently as they flow in and out. I want you to count each inhalation and each exhalation up to the number 9. If you reach 9 before you hear my voice again, simply return to 1 and begin again. If you forget what number you're on, return to 1 and start again. We'll begin with 1 and count like this. Inhale 1, exhale 1. Inhale 2, exhale 2. Continue now on your own. Now return again to a simple awareness of your breath. On your next breath, allow a sensation of warmth to come across you from your toes all the way to the top of your head. And when you're ready, begin to slowly bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Maybe gently roll your shoulders up towards your ears and down your back. Take one more deep, mindful breath. Allow the corners of your mouth to turn up slightly as you softly open your eyes. Notice how you feel, and sit with this feeling for just a few more moments. Thank you so much for sharing your meditation practice with me today. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will see you again soon.